my boat back. It's a very unique day on the water here. We got snow. A little tricky getting in here because none of the launches were plowed, so might be a little bit of an issue coming out. We'll find out. But yeah, back on the lake. Gonna run the boat, make sure everything seems kosher with it after the repair, and hopefully we'll find some big fish. Big white crappie. Oh, nice one. Yes. Well, that's confirmation this concept works. That big old toad on the jigging rat, little purple and yellow guy. Big old white crappie. There's a fat belly on it too. Yeah, back on him. Hopefully he sees it. He sees it. You got him. Big one? Looks decent. Yeah, he's a nice one. That's white. A hybrid, maybe. Maybe. I don't know how good this view is going to be, but that's probably not too bad. Oh, Steve, look up on the thing right now. Brush cloth? You just found one. Check the number of spines on that fish. Yeah. We're starting to see a little bit of structure popping up here, some sticks and some rocks. I think we're going to go out here and fish that. It's a little rock pile. See what's out here. Not seeing much on the down imaging, but you just never know. Worked hard for that little fishy. Fat little sucker though. These fish are eating good if we could just find them. Couple under the bait.